All right, greetings, people. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Shepherd Prophet Samuel Dominion. Today, I have come to tell you how to grow your hair. Yes, if you're a man, if you're a woman, and you're having interest to grow your hair, yes, I've come to tell you that. Now, there are some people also that their hair will be growing and be peeling off or will be falling off. Okay, today is for you how you're going to grow your hair naturally with just two simple things, and those simple things I'm about to reveal to you today are the things that you come in contact with, that you come across to, or things that you even know but then you don't know that they are used, yeah, kind of, that would help you in growing your hair in few weeks. All right. And what are those things I am emphasizing about? One is the castor oil. One is the castor oil. Of course, castor oil is rampant in Nigeria, is everywhere. And people ask me, so how will I get castor oil? Please do yourself a favor, go to any pharmacy shop and ask them for castor oil. They will have it. I said pharmacy, yes. So go to any pharmacy shop and ask of castor oil. They would give you. All right. And apart from that, what next will you be needing? You'll be needing the coconut oil. The truth is, just castor oil alone is very much okay, for your hair growth. But then the reason why I would like you, or rather I would recommend the coconut oil, is so that the castor oil wouldn't be so harsh on your hair. All right, the coconut oil will help the hair to have a soft growth. So that is it. So just get the castor oil, get the coconut oil, and mix the two together. Mix the two together. All right. So after mixing the two together, how are you gonna do that? Your mixture, rub it, yeah, like use it and really rub it in into your hair. Yes, rub it in into your hair, and after that, leave it for just 1 hour. Leave it for just 1 hour. Then, with your normal soap, go wash your hair, and you begin to notice immediately. This one works like magic. Immediately, you begin to notice that something is already happening. You see the way your hair would be glowing, be shining, like never before. So this is something I have tested, I've trusted, I've recommended to people. So you do well and do that also, and return to this channel with your testimony. My name is Ashefa Prophet Samuel Dominion, and on this broadcast, on this channel, The Healer Might, I teach people on how to use the natural things, and achieve a whole lot, the health benefit, the spiritual benefit, the medicinal benefit, and all that. So that is it. For my returning subscribers, I say you guys are really wonderful. And for the people that have not yet subscribed to my page, to my channel, please kindly do that. Okay, it will take you nothing, it will cost you nothing. I am really pleading to you to kindly do that. All right. Yes, turn on the notification bell also, so that anytime my post comes, you will be notified that I just dropped one. God bless your heart. Bye.